Good morning. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martrich with your April 24th, 2013 outlook. Starting off today with the forecast weather meter, and we're giving today a rating of 8 on a scale of 1 to 10. And pretty much this 8 is going to be for Central PA. And the further east you go, you might even get a rating of 9 or 10 today. It's just going to be a fabulous day for at least the eastern areas. The reason it's lower in Central PA, we do have a cold front that's going to be moving toward the area today, and some clouds will start moving in this afternoon already in Central PA. We do think it holds off to the evening in Eastern PA and points east. So, because of that, we had to average it out to an 8, but it will be maybe a 9 or even a 10 rating as you get into New Jersey, so or near the Delaware River. We're looking at the fire weather and UV index today. We're giving today a rating of moderate, and that's because the soil started to dry out considerably from the rains we had last week. And we do have a strong southwesterly wind that will be blowing today that will be contributing to any wildfires that do form. Will contribute to the spread of those fires. So just be careful if you're burning. Make sure you're doing it early in the morning and late in the evening, and pay attention to any local municipalities warnings about burn bans, and make sure we heed those warnings. The Storm Prediction Center today has a chance of thunderstorms. They do have a C-Tex sitting right over Pennsylvania. I don't think we're going to get into severe weather today. I mean, if you're going to get any severe weather whatsoever, you might have something very isolated. It would be right over the mountains of Central PA, and this is where they have a 5% chance of something happening. I think as they get further east, they're going to die out. You still could have thunderstorms over in this area here, but I don't think you're dealing with anything severe. I really don't think you're dealing with anything severe over the mountains either, but I would be surprised if you saw something like that, saw something with severe wind as it moved through. But the instability just won't be high enough in this area to really support any severe activity. And then the cold front comes in later. With the timing of the front coming in later, you lose the daytime heating. So for that reason, on our severe tracker, we have the time frame being Wednesday evening, with just regular thunderstorms and just isolated thunderstorms. And mostly the impacts that we're expecting are heavy rain, strong winds greater than 40 miles an hour, but not to severe limits. And then this would affect north central, or basically all central PA, and all northeast PA and east central PA in eastern Pennsylvania. And then we're excluding southeastern PA. We think just be a weak line of showers will move through with the front. Same thing with South New Jersey. North New Jersey could get into some thunderstorms this afternoon as well. We're going to show you on that line here. This is off of the high resolution NAM model. I'm going to move this down so I can put this into motion here. This is today at 2 p.m. You see it's all the way over in western Pennsylvania. It comes across Central PA. You do have a line of storms that form, so there could be a severe warning that pops up with this, but I'm not expecting anything widespread, like I said before. As it moves east, though, you can see what it does. It just becomes regular thunderstorms and kind of falls apart. But you see southeastern PA, southern New Jersey not really affected by it at all, and then maybe dies out by the time it gets to north of Jersey. You can see it really dies out as it moves off the coast. So not expecting anything severe today, just a few thunderstorms later this evening. And time frame it came across eastern PA here. I mean, this is 9-10 o'clock at night, so not a big deal. Now we're going to set up for a really nice weekend this weekend. Temperatures are going to be in the mid to upper 60s. This is actually a setup that's going to happen for beginning Sunday or late Sunday and early next week. You have a high pressure that's sitting up here like this, and then you have a low pressure sitting down here. So it's almost like a Rex block. They're almost on top of each other, but counterclockwise flow around a low pressure like this, and high pressure flow around like this, and that means you're going to have a marine flow off the ocean. So this entire area here, we expect to be under clouds here for maybe a couple days until these features move offshore and dissipate. So you have this marine layer in between, and then you can get some clouds and possibly even some showers or some drizzle out of this. Just not a very good start to your week. It's not looking like, at least according to a GFS model. So we'll take a look at this as we get closer to that event. If that does set up here, we will have that marine flow and the onshore flow with the precipitation possible early next week. But if anything that does happen would be light. It's mostly a cloud dominant feature that will be taking place if it does happen. That's all I have for today. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martrich. Have a great Wednesday.